तो हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कुमार टेक फ्रेंड्स। आज एक नया वीडियो मैं बना रहा हूँ बहुत दिनों के बाद, क्योंकि कुछ खास रिस्पांस तो नहीं मिल रहा था मेरे इस वीडियोस के तरफ से, और थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था। थोड़ा क्या, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था। तो मैंने चैनल को शिफ्ट किया, फिर से शुरुआत किया स्टार्टिंग से। स्ट्राइक वगैरह तो ऐसे ही थे कि हटते ही नहीं थे, ऊपर से आप लोग का जो व्यू है वो आ ही नहीं रहा था। तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना वीडियो को थोड़ा सा न्यू तरीके से बनाया जाए। तो मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, ये मेरा पहला जो है इंग्लिश रिव्यू है किसी वीडियो के ऊपर, और आगे अगर मुझे कुछ रिस्पांस मिला तो हो सकता है मैं आगे भी इस पर काम करूँ। बस आपका सपोर्ट मिलना चाहिए। चलिए तो वीडियो देखते हैं। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू एंड अनबॉक्स द DJI Gimbal Om 5. It is a smartphone gimbal that promises to help you master every shot. Let's see what's inside the box. As you can see, the DJI Gimbal 5 comes with some paperwork, then the gimbal itself, a Type-C charger cable, a sticker for small phones, a strap, one tripod mount, one very beautiful carry bag with printed DJI logo, and mobile holders. The DJI Om 5 is a handheld 3-axis smartphone gimbal stabilizer that's designed to transform your smartphone into a professional filmmaking camera. The gimbal itself is very compact and lightweight, weighing only 290 grams. It has a foldable design that makes it easy to carry around. The most noticeable feature of the gimbal is the built-in extension rod, which can extend up to 215 mm. It's for selfie and dynamic low-angle shooting. It's lightweight, portable, and features countless features that lets you unlock the full potential of your smartphone. The DJI Gimbal 5 also has a new shot guide feature, which automatically recognizes your environment and suggests a series of shots and tutorials. For example, if you are in a park, the gimbal will recommend you to take a panorama a time lapse, a dolly zoom, and so on. You can follow the instructions on the screen, and the gimbal will adjust the settings and movements for you. This is a great way to learn new techniques and get creative with your videos. Another cool feature of the DJI Gimbal 5 is the Active Track 4.0, which is an improved version of the tracking algorithm. It can track subjects with more stability and responsiveness even when they are moving fast or changing directions. You can also switch between different tracking modes such as face tracking, head tracking, or body tracking. This is useful for vlogging, live streaming, or capturing action scenes. The DJI Gimbal 5 has a battery life of up to 6.4 hours, and it supports fast charging via USB-C. It also has a joystick, a zoom slider, and a multifunction button for easy control. You can also use the DJI Mimo app to access more features and settings, such as glamour effects, gesture control, story mode. The DJI Om 5 is compatible with a wide range of smartphones including iPhone 12, Samsung Galaxy S21, Huawei Mate 40, Xiaomi Mi 11, and many more. And it's available on Amazon. If you're interested to buy one, then check out the links below. I think it's a great gimbal for anyone who wants to take their smartphone videos to the next level. It's portable, versatile, and easy to use. It has some innovative features that can help you master every shot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
With